Welcome back. Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has now taken on Maharashtra government. He has said that he will teach a lesson to the Maharashtra government on Tilari water dispute. Parrikar said that Goa has spent 76% money on the project, so Maharashtra has an obligation to release water to the state.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar took a dig at Maharashtra government, alleging NCP Congress government to politicize the Tilari water dispute. Parrikar said that he knows how to teach a lesson to the Maharashtra government.
I know how to teach a lesson, but I don't want to teach a lesson to the people of the affected area. I will teach a lesson to the government. कशें करप तें जाणा. पयली चान्स शांततेन peaceful मार्गान.
Parrikar said that he was always against the investment of 76% money in the Tilari project, but it has happened and now Maharashtra has obligations to release water to the state.
7 वर्सां पयली I used to comment on Tilari saying that it is dangerous to spend 76% of your money and have all assets in the neighboring state. शेजाऱ्याचें घर बांदपाक आपूण पयशे मोडिना आशेचेर की शेजारी आपल्याक कितें तरी जेवण डेली हाडून दितलो म्हणून. हें फक्त गोंय सरकारान 1990 चर्चिल आलेमो चीफ मिनिस्टर आसतलो ताणेंच हे एग्रीमेंट सायन करून म्हाका जो विचार करनासतना हो एग्रीमेंट सायन जाला. 76% expenses we are doing, and today we are not getting water from them because some 100 families wants to obstruct it. Right or wrong, the problem is आमची शेणी काडून आमी तांच्या हातान दिली.
With Shyam Sundar Fatte, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Captain of Ports has completed 100 years of its establishment and celebrating its centenary. Speaking at its anniversary function, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that Captain of Ports will now think about other modes of revenue generation.
Captain of Ports has completed 100 years of its establishment and organized a centenary function on Saturday. Speaking at its anniversary function, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that as mining activities are banned in the state, Captain of Ports have to think of other mode of revenue generation. Parrikar said that many requests have come to him to start inland water transport on many water ramps, so Captain of Ports should explore the possibility.
There are people who are inquiring with me for transportation route from Aldona to Panji to the Vasco. There are more areas from where they want to take passenger, and in between passenger, evening time they want to use the boat for cruising. You have to just float one simple tender by giving the minimum capacity of passenger you require.
Manohar Parrikar also said that there was an opportunity for coal transportation from Mormugaon Port Trust, but it is being stopped due to the environmental issues. Parrikar said that time has come to think other mode of revenue generation and tourism-driven projects will be handy. With Shyam Sundar Fatte, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Rickshaw operators from Panji market are irked over various stalls at their rickshaw stands. Owners claim that these temporary stalls don't have any permission from Corporation of Panji. They have demanded removal of the stalls from their stand since it's affecting their business during Christmas.
During festivals, some shop owners put temporary stalls at rickshaw stand. It was noticed that there is clear order of CCP that no temporary stalls and pandals are allowed during Diwali, Ganesh and Christmas. Nearly 30 rickshaw operators claim that they have written letters to Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, CCP Mayor and Traffic Police. According to rickshaw operators, temporary stalls are affecting their business during festivals.
आमकां खबर नासतना राती हांगा कोणें हाडून स्टॉल घातले आनी आमकां लुगार ना रिक्षा दवरपाक. कोणें घातलें आमकां खबर ना आनी तेंच्यांनी पळय सगळो रस्तो तो आडयला आमचो. आनी हेजे पयलीं मरे आमी म्युनिसिपालिटीक लेटर केल्ले आनी म्युनिसिपालिटीक सांगलें आमकां तुका आपयतले आनी डिस्कस करतले म्हणून. आमकां काय आपोवना कांय ना. आमी लेटर दिल्ले आसता तरी आसतना तेंणी कितें हे फावटी तुमची कॉम्प्रोमायज करया आनी तुमकां स्टँड थंयच मेळटलो म्हणून. तरी आसतना आमकां स्टँड दिवना पळयता.
Panji Mayor Vaidai Naik says that temporary stalls are allowed only during festivals.
खरें पळोवंक गेल्यार हांव स्वता पर्सनली थंय गेल्लें आनी तांकां सांगिल्लें की हो लोकांचो सण आसा तेन्ना तुमी 2 दिसां खातीर एडजस्ट करपाक व्हडलोसो प्रश्न ना पूण मुख्य कितें आसा तांकां PIनूय आमच्या ट्रॅफिक PIकूय व्हेल्लें हांवें तांकां कितें तरी वेवस्था करून दियात पूण ताणेंय तांकां समजायलें की जेन्ना थंय स्टॉल येतात तेन्ना परत तुमकां वेवस्थीत गिरायक जाता फक्त अडचण जर जाता खंय तरी पार्किंग किंवा तर ताज्या खातीर थंय हांवें वेगळें डेप्यूट कर सांगिल्लें की तांची लोकांकूय अडचण जावची न्ही की पार्किंगाक आनी गिरायक म्हणजे जे कस्टमर्स असतात तांकांय वेवस्थीत शॉपिंग करूंक मेळचें.
Mahesh Gadi with Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.